Carl Pei, CEO of Nothing, has officially confirmed that the company's next budget smartphone, the Nothing Phone 3A, will be launched in just a few days. This will be the company's third-generation phone. According to tipster Evan Blass, Pei confirmed the news via email. The Nothing Phone 3A will come with the brand's very own AI-powered platform. In fact, a recent report by Android Headlines suggests that this upcoming phone will feature a special capability that's already popular in iPhones. In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know about this exciting smartphone, including its leaked features, price, and launch date. Let's get started. Nothing Phone 3A features. Display. The Nothing Phone 3A will feature a massive 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, offering a 120 Hz refresh rate and 380 Hz touch sampling rate. It will also showcase Nothing's signature Glyph interface, with potential new updates. Additionally, the phone will come with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Processor. As for the processor, the Nothing Phone 3A will be a premium device, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process. It will run on Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15, delivering a seamless and efficient user experience. Camera setup. The phone will feature a triple camera setup, with a 50-megapixel telephoto primary camera that supports optical image stabilization. Additionally, it will have an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. For selfies, the Nothing Phone 3A will offer a 32-megapixel front camera for sharp and clear shots. Battery backup. The Nothing Phone 3A will be equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 45-watt wired charging, 15-watt Qi wireless charging, and 5-watt reverse wireless charging. Price and launch date. When it comes to pricing, the Nothing Phone 3A is expected to be launched in Europe at around €300. As for the launch date, the phone will be unveiled in just a few days.